The reverse burrito. Well, actually this isn't a burrito. This just happens to be a sandwich. And this actually isn't a sandwich. It's a taco. And this isn't a taco. It's actually just corn. Watch out, Chipotle. I'm coming for you. Look at that cheese crust. It's down there. To make the reverse burrito, you're gonna need to prep the chicken breast. You're gonna cut this in half, and then you're gonna cut that half in half, and then you're gonna cut that half in half, and then you're gonna cut that half in half, and half that half. Some frijoles, some fresh canned rice, some cheddar. You're gonna add some tortillas for flavor. I'm gonna just go ahead and roll this up and throw it inside. Take some time to practice your rolling technique. Perfect. Now try it for real this time. Perfect. On the tray for real this time. Perfect. Some cheddar. Some adobo bobo. Give it to Big Betty. 900,000 milliseconds. Just so the burrito doesn't burn, I'm gonna apply some buffalo sunscreen. She doesn't like when I use chicken. Add some lettuce, tomato, some hot sauce. Add some ice if the hot sauce is too hot. Serve with some sour cream. Done. Taste test.